Hello, in this video I will show you how you can insert SD card to your POCO M7 Pro. So on the bottom of your POCO M7 Pro you can find this card slot. So now take your SIM eject tool which comes inside of the POCO M7 Pro box and place it in this little hole over here. Put it just like that and it should click. So now take it off very carefully, very gently. It's easy to break. And here you can find SIM 2 slot, and this is also SD card slot. So now just take your SD memory card and place it just like that, in this way. And it should look like that. It fits perfectly almost. So basically take your POCO M7 Pro and place it to the card slot. And basically that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.